always ready to live alone. Don't trust anyone. Life is full of fake people. Don't tell people your problems nowadays. Even to live alone, you have to learn to live alone, because other people, they say you can't live without a man or to live without a woman. Sometimes we have to live without a man or a woman. You know that your relationship doesn't last, or those people are betraying you. So sometimes we have to be ready to live alone. Other people are used to live alone, because sometimes don't trust people, even friends, because you can say it's your friend, you have got a problem, but that person is going to tell another people your problems. So sometimes we have to live alone. Be ready to live alone nowadays. Don't tell anyone even your secrets. You have to keep your secrets to yourself, especially in relationships. You know that maybe your relationships doesn't last or what. Live alone sometimes. Be ready to live alone, because other people, you know that those people you are in a relationship with are betraying you most of the time. Why are you being continuing dating people? Sometimes you have to live alone. Sometimes be ready to live alone in this world, because life is full of fake people. Other people, they are fake in your life. They came and smiled to you, and you don't know what they are planning. So sometimes, so you have to stay alone. Keep your secret alone. Even in relationship, don't tell your partner, especially you know that you are not, even you are married or what. Sometimes some of the things you have to keep secret on your own. Sometimes even you know that you are being separated with your partner. Other people, they can't live alone in this world. Guys, you can live alone, because some other people, they say I can't live without my husband or my wife, because you know that relationship, you are not in a health marriage. But you have to be ready to live alone, because sometimes, guys, especially friends, those friends, they are going to spread. Sometimes you can say my secret is safe. Your secret is no more is not safe at all. That person is going to tell people about your secret you are telling. Sometimes you have to keep yourself, because people, we are different. Maybe you can keep secrets for other people, but your secret, sometimes you tell that person can go and spread your secrets. So sometimes don't trust people. Other people, they are fake in life. They can come to smile on you, but they know they don't like you at all.